Hi, we are Pocket Recipes, a web application designed to find recipes that are right for your fridge. We are primarily targeting college students that have a lot of random ingredients that they have in the fridge that they might be trying to finish off or they want to get more of at the grocery store and they don't want too much of it. So, our aim is to create and find recipes for college students that use these specific ingredients that they have. So, this is our landing page and you can see that it displays a variety of different recipes. These are all of the recipes that are currently in our database, and users can go ahead and add more. So each of these recipes have various different identifiers. So there's the name, the rating, a small description, an ingredients list, and a link to where the recipe actually is. And so an example would be, let's say a student has some eggs left over and they're about to expire. Well, we can search up eggs, and I see that now it displays all the recipes that contain some form of egg. So fried rice, pancakes, pad thai, and fried chicken. We want to exclude ingredients. Well, let's say I don't have any chicken. Great, pancakes and pad thai. And another feature is that we have a rating system, as you can see, but let me try and rate a pad thai. Maybe I don't like pad thai, I'll want to rate it 1 star. Well, it doesn't let me rate, I have to log in for that. So if we log in as a user, then we have a lot more features. As you can see right now, we're a guest. So if I log in, this is using account, it's very convenient. Now I'll return back and let's say I'm gonna go back to those egg and chicken example. Well, I want to rate pad thai. Oh wait, I've already rated this before. Well, that's great. So what if I want to do a different recipe instead? So let's say a homemade pizza. I don't really like pizza. 1 star, 2.5 rating, and the stars are updated. Great, exactly what we want. However, maybe I don't want to search up egg and chicken over and over again, so we have this really convenient feature where we can load and save our exact queries that we've made. So if I click the save, the ingredients will be saved to my account, and if I reload the landing page with a fresh list of no queries, I can load this and it'll search up exactly egg and chicken for me. That's great. Now let's say I want to upload a creation. I want to share a great recipe I found online. Let's say apple pie. And I found it at marthastewart.com. Great. And I give a brief description. An American classic. A sweet dessert with a fruity filling. So now I need to upload a photo. Oh wait, I don't have the photo. So I can go to the website, just do a quick image save, and now I can choose the file, upload it, and we're great. So ingredients, well, we want other users to be able to search this up really easily. So we can go back and take a quick peek. So it needs flour, lemon juice, sugar, salt, apples, cinnamon, butter. So let's go ahead and add all that. Alright, we'll accept the terms and conditions and submit our recipe so that others can see. And thanks us for uploading. Now on the landing page that shows all of the recipes, if I scroll down, I'll have my new recipe displayed. Apple pie, great. However, there's no rating yet, so since I made this recipe, of course it's going to be delicious. So I'll rate it 5 out of 5 stars. It updates the rating, and now I have a 5 out of 5 star recipe of apple pie. But let's say I actually made it and I didn't like it that much, so I want to edit the recipe. So I found a different recipe online. Martha Stewart, not that great actually. What about Betty Crocker? Wow, that sounds way better. So now I can update the link to the recipe. The description's going to be about the same. And the ingredients list, well, this uses margarine instead and a little nutmeg, so we can add that. Add nutmeg, and we'll delete the butter and replace it with margarine. Did I spell that right? Margarine. Great. Now we accept these terms and conditions and save it. And now my changes will be on the landing page. So my apple pie is now jumped up to the top because we have sorted it by rating, so decreases. No one wants to see these recipes at the bottom. So of course the apple pie is great. You can go to the recipe and it loads the Betty Crocker page. Amazing, just what we want. Another feature we have is user uploads. So see what I've uploaded so far to the database. I've created some fried rice, some nachos, and apple pie. Man, these are some great recipes. And there's also an about page that can show a brief description of what we do and how to do it, and some other interesting information. Some developer tools that we use to create this, a link to the GitHub source code, and an image of foods for our team. So these are images that kind of represent what our favorites are and what we think of. All right, thank you for listening, and we hope you use our product.